I'm the villain in this picture.
You're coming out of this race, the very idea. Oh boy, well, he was a big worm. He was this long. Betcha. Don't you know you catch your death a cold? What, a cold? Oh, Ma, I won't catch it. Choo! I told you so, I told you so. Now, right there in bed you stay. I'll get Dr. Quack right away.
While the mother's away, the weasel will play. That's a good one. Now, you folks pardon me just a minute, and I'll make a quick change. Not a bad disguise, huh? Now for a meal.
Who's there?
It's Dr. Quack.
Boy, that's nervous. Come in, Doctor.
Say, ah.
It's really the weasel. Hey, it's too small.
Now I got you behind the 8 ball. It's Wilbur, Doctor. Terrible cold. Hurry. Achoo!